You can't bring anything to God that's too big for Him. You cannot. You can't bring anything to God that's too heavy for Him. He can handle it. You can't bring anything to God for which He does not have a perfect answer every single time. Four decades ago, we started InTouch Ministries to lead people worldwide into a growing relationship with Jesus Christ. Throughout the years, we've seen God's greatness, His love and His blessings in such awesome ways that we just want everyone to know Him. So let's open God's Word and seek Him together.
Next on InTouch, when facing storms in our life,